In this lesson, we're going to remove the background of the drawing of the woman drawing on the easel. Let's turn on the artwork layer. Do a Command H to hide the guide. We want to remove everything in the image except for the easel, the girl sitting on the chair, and the table that holds the paint and her tea. Click on that layer. I've already tried to remove the background with the Remove Background button, and it doesn't do very well. So this part of the design is going to take the longest. So the easiest way to do it is to get the Polygonal lasso tool. And I'm going to zoom in at the top up here, and I'm going to start clicking around the easel to select its shape so we can remove the areas around it. And I'm going to close up the shape like this and just press Delete to delete those areas. Command D to deselect. I'm going to select down the easel and down this part up onto the coffee cup, go around the handle and the saucer and the table, and then come back up and close the selection and press Delete. Command D to deselect. And keep doing it. Just keep going around the image. I am pressing the space bar to get the move tool when I get to certain areas that I can't get to. See how I'm doing that right now? Keep your finger on the space bar so you can move around the design and keep on selecting and selecting. I'll tell you that the more times you select in a big area with little intricate areas, it might close up the selection. So keep that in mind. You may get a little frustrated. All right, press Delete. Let's do the next part. I'm going to speed up the film so you can see what I'm doing, but it's going to take a little while to complete this part. And now I'm just going to do the top area to remove that part. Command S to save. This lesson will continue in the next video.